can't be looking scruffy when you're going to work. Like, you just have to always make sure that you're on point, your shoes are on point, your bags, your dressing, your makeup, your hair. Like, you just have to be on point, sisters. You have to slay. Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Linda. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I get ready for work. It's going to be like a get ready with me video, but then work edition. What I actually wear to work, how I wear my makeup to work. So if you'd like to see how I go about doing that, then please keep on watching this video. And yeah, and towards the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you like my full outfit, like what I actually wear to work on a daily basis, or at least what I'll be wearing to work today. And yeah, please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and also hit the post notification bell so that I get notified when I post new videos on my channel. And thanks so much for watching this video, and let's just get right into the tutorial. So I'm starting out with priming my skin, and I'm using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. Then next, I'll be moving over to apply my foundation all over my face. Details about the products which I use will be in the description box. Then next, I'll be moving over to highlighting my face, and I'll be using the Girl Concealer to do that. Then I'm just gonna reach for a damp beauty blender sponge, and I'll be blending the concealer in. So next, I'm moving over to highlighting, setting the highlighted part of my face using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Then next, I'll be defining my face using the darkest shade in the Girl Contour Game palette. I'm just reaching for my fan brush to help me really get my cheekbone area well chiseled. And I'm using that other in-between shade just to chisel out the sides of my nose, just to get my nose looking more defined and kind of pointed. And I'll be using that same powder shade just to set the whole of the foundation all around the other part of my face. And then I'm also going to use that same powder to just kind of define my chin area, just so that it doesn't look round. So next, I'll be drawing in my brows. I'm just trying to brush my brow hairs in place. Then next, I'll be reaching for my Mark 3 brow pencil, just to really like fill in my brows and define the shape of my brows the way I like them. After I'm done filling in my brows, I'm just going to reach for a spoolie and brush all the products which I use in filling this in well so that it's well blended. Then next, I'll go over to using my concealer to really define the shape of my brows. I'm just going to blend that concealer into my skin now so that everything is well blended. Next, I'm going to go over to like applying some eyeshadow. I'm just using that same matte brown shade which I used to define the sides of my nose to really like, you know, add some warmth to my crease area. Then next, I'm using the highlighter in my contour game palette to serve as my eyeshadow. I'm just going to be applying that highlight shade all over my eyelid area, and I'm using a small eyeshadow brush to do that. Just carefully popping the highlight onto my lids. Next, I'm going to be lining my eyes, and I'm using my Hank Fan liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner is sold on my store on Instagram, E.Y.E.S Beauty, so you can check it out if you would like to get a liquid eyeliner, but it's really open to people based in Nigeria or probably like the U.S. So I'm just carefully lining my eyes and extending it towards like my tear dot area. And I'm using my MacBook Extremely Soft eyeliner to line my waterline. Then I'm also using that same shadow which I used on my crease area just to smooth it underneath my bottom lash line. Then I'm applying my mascara. I'm just applying a little blush to my cheek area just to add a little color there. And I'm just going for that to just dust off the powder that is still left under my under eye area. Then next, I'm just going to spray some setting spray to that brush to be able to highlight my face. So I'm going in with the same highlighter which I used all over my eyelids to highlight my face, my cheekbone area, my cupid bow, my brow bone, and the bridge of my nose. So now I'm applying a natural lipstick. Of course, this is like a work makeup look. You don't want your makeup to be looking too loud, particularly when you're wearing something that probably already has colors on it. So I'm just going to be sticking to using a very natural color. But I'm also going to be lining my lips using the same brow pencil which I used in filling in my brows. So after I'm done lining my lips, I'm just going to be defining the shape of my lips. Either using your you could either use your concealer or your foundation to define the sides of your lips. But for this, I actually use like my foundation so that the color just blends in well with my face. Just go over it with some powder, and next I'm just trying to like brush my hair and apply like little Eco Styler gel just so that my edges are, you know, well brushed and looks very clean and all. So after I'm done doing this, I'm just gonna quickly go change up to what I'll be wearing for work. Yeah, so guys, this is basically what I wear to work. Wearing like this simple black dress, my wristwatch, a little accessory. I'm just kind of keeping it minimal, and then of course you want to ensure that you spray a little perfume. So guys, that's basically it for this video. I really hope you found it helpful, and if you did, please let me know in the comment section. And if you would also like to see more videos like this, also let me know in the comment section. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Like, I really need that subscription right now. Like, please just subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed and you've been pondering if to subscribe or not to subscribe, please subscribe, yeah. At least for the sake that I'm asking, please just subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. And always remember to be bold and have courage and have a beautiful day with a positive life. And